calls for legal action over a new law abolishing community oversight boards. The law takes effect in about a month, and now the Tennessee NAACP is starting to push back. Here's State Capitol reporter Chris O'Brien.
On July 1st, a new law will go into effect in Tennessee. It abolishes community oversight boards and replaces them with statewide advisory committees chosen by each mayor.
This is the third attempt to undercut oversight boards.
Dr. Sekou Franklin is the political action chair for the state conference NAACP. The civil rights organization lamented the fact that there seems to be no legal action against the law.
We find that, the Metro Legal Department, for example, has almost put its foot in the ground and will not even think about challenging the state law.
Senator Mark Pody sponsored the bill, saying the state needed a universal method of holding law enforcement accountable.
At least from my point of view, from some of the things that I was hearing, was maybe a little bit more anti-police than what we should have had.
But Franklin points out the mayor appoints these new councils, so it's sort of like the fox guarding the hen house.
So that was just a head fake or a red herring, and it doesn't make any sense. Why doesn't it make any sense? We would never require police departments to have the same structure across the state.
Some Republicans said during session that COB members had contaminated evidence at crime scenes.
We had heard that there were actually some places in the state where some of the oversight members would actually go into a crime scene trying to find out what happened, but they were damaging evidence.
That's unfounded. That's not true. The COB did not do that.
I did reach out to the TBI to get some clarity on the issue and ask if it ever happened. I also asked if it didn't happen, why would lawmakers say the TBI told them it did? As of airtime, I have not received a response. In Nashville, Chris O'Brien.
And Chris also reached out to the Metro Nashville legal director to see if the city was considering legal action. He pointed Chris to an attorney giving counsel to the Nashville Community Oversight Board, and then she told Chris she cannot share any legal advice that she's given to the board.